Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Wells Fargo checking using ACH withdrawals step by step clearly. To withdraw from your Wells Fargo checking account using ACH withdrawals, start by accessing your online banking account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Wells Fargo homepage. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Transfer and Pay tab on the main menu. Click on Transfer Funds. Select the option for External Accounts to link another bank account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to add your external bank account by providing the routing and account numbers. Once the external account is verified, go back to the Transfer Funds section. Choose the Transfer to External Accounts option. Select the external account you wish to withdraw funds to. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your Wells Fargo checking account. Choose the transfer frequency. You can select one-time transfer or set up recurring withdrawals. Review the details of your transfer carefully to ensure accuracy. Once everything is confirmed, click the Submit button to process the withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation message once the transaction is successful. Check your email or notifications for confirmation details. Monitor both your Wells Fargo account and your external account for the completion of the transfer. If you encounter any issues, contact Wells Fargo customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.